What is happening, guys and girls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new camera. Look at it, look at this beauty, all its glory. Big shaft. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in today. We have a mission. We're on a mission today. Today I want to shoot my new intro for the channel. Oi. 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 Oh, my passion, more energy. So that's the plan for today. I hope you enjoy this this new camera angle. I certainly am. But hey, let us know down in the comments what you think, whether you like this new angle or do you not like seeing me at all. Would you rather not see me? Anyway, today is the first day in a while. I think I haven't been riding for like 5 days or something. Way too long. It's been raining. We've had storms and rain. You can see remnants of puddles right now, but yeah, and I'm a little bit of a fair weather rider. Not completely, but I don't like mud, and I had enough of it in my last ride, as you saw. If you've watched my last video, you can watch that one just here for you, and just here for you. Let's go straight. See what's down here. Hey, oh, my passion, more energy, more footwork, more energy. Woo! I have no idea where I am. That's probably going to go down to a bog there. So let's go this way. Okay, well, end of the road apparently. Let's turn it around. Actually, let's give another camera angle a try. I'm very excited to use this camera. Very excited. So let's just stop the bike there. There's 8.1 billion mosquitoes here, so I'm not going to take anything off. But what I want to do is take this sucker off. I don't know how well this is going to work because it's kind of not the right grip for this piece, but we're going to give it a go, aren't we? I hope you're going to like this angle. Let's see. And then here's the best part. Ta-da! Look at that. It's a bit bouncy, but we're going to see if I can stabilize it in post-edit. It's a bit bouncy, but we're going to give it a go. I've also got my little fanny pack on today, if you like this. What is it? Stylish Hound for my doggos. Don't kick the pole. Oh, that's good. I can actually see it in my rear view, so I'll see when it falls off or smacks against a tree or something. Let's see what we can do. Nervous times. Oh, it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Hold on, little girl. Oh, man, this is a test for it anyway. This is a test. Are you still there? Yeah, it's still there. Bouncy, bouncy. Look at my ass. We'll do a turn around. How'd that look to you guys? Pretty good? Oh, don't hit the tree. This is fun. Have a look at you. I don't know what's up this way. Maybe this is just a road use angle. Oh, there's a tree down here. Watch out for that. Okay, before we take off down this road, I'm just going to check this. You're tight. You're kinda tight. Hello. Let's do this. Oi, almost whacked the post. Don't hit the post. My God, that's nerve-wracking. How you going there, little buddy? You surviving? You're still attached. Hello. Hello. Oh man, this is wicked. I can't wait to see the footage. You guys are obviously seeing the footage first. I don't get to see this until editing. Hopefully it's even coming up nicely. I don't know what it even looks like, but we'll see. That's the point of today. Let's change that angle up now. We've done this angle. Don't kick it. It's pretty funny. Let's just close you down, thank you. This was the angle I wanted. Let's try that. Something like this, eh? And then, do I want it there? Oh, look at that, bouncy, but hey. I hope you guys have enjoyed the footage so far. I hope this can help me level up my game. I don't actually know what this looks like because you guys are seeing it first, huh? Exclusive. Anyway, let me know down in the comments. Do you like the new footage? Do you like the new angles? If so, let me know. And if not, I don't know, maybe don't let me know because I paid money for this thing. Just keep your mouth shut. No, honestly, let me know what you reckon. I want to know. I personally think it's going to be a groovy camera angle, but then again, I don't see it in the edit. I mean, I don't see it until the edit, so let me know what you guys reckon. It's a very strange feeling having this camera here just bobbling around because it kind of wobbles just a little bit, so it's a bit nerve-wracking. So you're constantly checking up on a fellow rider and another fellow rider, give them a wave. I think they did the little like this. Maybe they're not so confident taking their hands off the bars. That's okay. If you're not confident, guys, just nod your head. You don't need to take your hand off the bar. Just a little head bob. A little, how you doing? Without that though. Anyway guys, today I'm just trying to shoot. Shoot! I'm still coming out of puberty. Today I'm trying to shoot a bit of an intro or a what do you call it, a trailer for my channel, because I don't currently have one. So when people come and visit my channel, they can watch this little trailer and maybe they'll subscribe. Maybe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. My normal riding is tet riding. I like off-road. We're going to explore some today, although I'm not actually going on the tet today. So we'll just explore some dirt roads. Maybe I'll go on the tet today. We'll see how we feel. Depends where we get to. I actually don't know where I'm going right now. I'm just kind of going. We'll see. Oh, my passion, my energy. It's the first time I've ridden with this bum bag, and it's a little bit annoying. I need to come up with a better solution. Let's try a different angle. I reckon this one's going to be funny, especially because it's going to be turning with the handlebars. Let's try this. I don't know how this is going to go, and I need to watch out. How's that? Oh, that's funny. Let's give this a go. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Oh my god. I'm gonna stay seated for this. Oh, watch out for the trees! Oh man, this is funny. What do you guys reckon about this view? Maybe this is a road only view. I've got to watch out for trees. Ah! Go! Oh my god. Okay, here's dodge. How you going up there? Hey, hey. Getting vertigo? Are you guys afraid of heights? Ah, tree! Whoa! Oh, I reckon that's so funny. I don't know how it looks for you guys. Oh, that's moving. Yeah, I don't know how it looks for you guys. For me, it looks so funny. Have a look at you. You're all the way up there. I'm all the way down here. Oh, that's great. I love it. Let's try a different angle. Oh, there's so many mosquitoes. Look at all the mosquitoes. Can you guys see them? Far out. There's so many of them. Although I can imagine up in Alaska or even Finland, I can imagine there's so many more, but this is horrible. Oh, mosquitoes are the worst. Oh, they're everywhere. Let's go. Let's get out of here. How's that angle? You tight? You gonna hold on? Hold on, guys, because here we go. How's that look? Bit of fun? Oh my god! How are you guys feeling out there? Oh man, it is so strange, such a strange feeling. You're not falling off, are you? Hold on, guys. Hold on, we're going. Hey, bloody hell. The GS just sometimes it can just save your head. How about a trail turn for you guys? Come on behind you. I need to fix this mirror. There we go. See what I can do. See how it looks on this camera. How is that? Now I'll just reposition because the mozzies were honing in on that spot. Okay, let's stop it just here. Put you there. How's that? On a little bit strangely. There you go. That's how it's done. How are we looking back there, guys? How's the girls? Looking good? How's that now? Do I need to pull my pants up? These are very old jeans and they've got holes in them and whatnot, so don't be looking. See that? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's what I do. Wow, man. What's up, guys? Bloodhound in the editing studio. Just wanted to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing. If you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up, and if you want to see some more, consider subscribing. I had a couple of camera malfunctions at the end there, so that's why the ending is like this. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.